This is Camp Rowallan, Rowallan, in the inland of the north middle of Tasmania. Beautiful camping spots here for free. There are toilets about 3 kilometres down the road. They're pretty good. The water is crystal clear and lovely. Supposed to be good for fly fishing or for trout fishing. Really nice spot. Probably about an hour's drive from Deloraine. There are camp spots all along here, free camps. Dogs are allowed, no toilets if you're self-sustained. Now we've gone about 4 kilometres from the dam and you turn down this little track on the right and you get this beautiful spot. If we would have discovered this in the first place, we probably would have stayed here, even though I said the other spot was at Parangana was really nice. Just the privacy. Very beautiful, away from everyone. So you go about 4 k's past the dam wall of Lake Rowallan and there's all little tracks off. This one was a surprising drive, probably about 1 kilometre down a little, well, smooth enough but bumpy 4-wheel drive track to get down to here. Just stunning.